The knees come in right side. Through. Here we go. And right knee, pick it up. Point the toe down. Turn the knee. And it's 6 times. Here we go. Exhale. There's the fly. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Step down right foot. So this is still part of your interval. Yes. I snuggle in. Keep moving. Big step. Big step. Big step. Here we go. You've got 2. Just the hands reach it up. Now guess what? This is your rest. Get used to it. You're going to need it. Breathe. What time is it? Booty time. Show me something, girl. Hey, come on. Come on.